Hello，大家好，又係我子康啊。Hello everyone，I'm Gary。係啦，咁今日就繼續，咁今日就重新拍翻個動物森友會口袋露營廣場第三集，個4周年唔好意思，4周年紀念特別影片 Part 3係啦。咁今日就重新拍過，咁我今次用翻我個咪，因為唔知用乜呢，我用咗裝置音，瞬間麥克風就會變成咁啦。我唔明點解佢會剪咗我啲嘢，好壞賣。咁上集就搞掂咗嗰幾做 opening 啦，係啦。咁今次咧就就係 gameplay 係啦，就會話俾大家睇。咁我而家又着住呢個，我琴日拍錄嘅時候咧着嘅係冇換到嘅，其實因為我係重新拍多次嘅，咁所以我就再着多次俾大家睇咯。我希望今次呢會順利搞掂，順利。我希望今次我錄緊呢條呢會順利。我唔要再有，我唔要我擺嘅時候，我唔要佢擺嘅時候呢，再剪走嗰度啊，因為我覺得呢係唔好嘅。我冇敏感嗰啲嘢，做咩叫剪走我啲嘢？我冇擺到過，有冇常識㗎？OK，同埋呢個我都諗住轉英文，但不過我驚香港人嗰啲人都唔係識中文，咁所以唯有轉翻繁體中文就算。我都係着翻偵探，因為我都係 detective。玩俾大家睇下我嘅呢個偵探咯，個偵探嘅外套。咁同埋我都希望呢撈緊嘅時候呢會安全啲，同埋我都希望覺得要早啲唔好再剪咗去嗰度啦。我唔想得咁短啊！我唔想我再咁落去整精華啦。我擺錯咗。I don't know. No. And also, if you want to have any questions on this video, you can ask me in. If you have any questions for something, just leave the comments below. I'm good in English, also Chinese too. I'm such a pro. 我擺一擺先喂，咁多都唔得嘅。啊，點解嘅？我啲係好相似嘅。原本琴日係擺咗嘅，不過唔知做乜會有問題，咁所以就重新拍過。大家如果覺得今次條片係滿意嘅就點解？我有一啲活動嗰啲嘢都，我有一啲活動嗰啲嘢都冇，我都唔想啊！why he did to me? Let me see. This one.咁跟住嗱話咗yeah. Also, happy St. Patrick's Day to you all. Yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day to you all. Yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Even though I don't really care about St. Patrick's Day, but because it was my anniversary, it was my fourth anniversary, but because I put on my anniversary special on that day, so that's why that's why I wear something green for doing this video. 咁我因為我揀咗嗰日整個anniversary 係 anniversary special， 咁所以就咁做啦。Also, if you want to add me in Go Animate, if you want to add me in your video, well, you can. Yeah, because you can use me one, but I will never to make one because I busy for even I was busy for school. Yeah, I know it's spring break, but I have really busy, so I need to try my best as I can. 我希望今次唔好斷。我試試咪先 testing， 聽唔聽到啊？大家，我諗聽到啦。我諗聽到啦。跟住，咁到時下條片咧，我會播埋音樂嘅，因為我要 show 嘛，咁所以我唔會講出嚟嘅。咁所以我係唔會講出嚟嘅，咁上兩條 anniversary special 就係夢幻鋼琴啦，咁跟住 part 2同 part 3，但唔同歌嘅，咁跟住 第三條片咁，因為 part 3我諗唔到到底係咪咁難得，我就單咗動心就太耐冇拍就再拍啦，同埋玩咗我玩咗2年呢個。我家姐my sister told me play this. I played this for 2 years, and I'm playing very well. I'm level 136, and my name and here the name I was Magic Ring. 我希望今次錄咗之後唔會有問題啦。我希望冇問題啦，今次。如果真係有問題嘅，我真係覺得，如果真係我今次錄咗之後，佢真係剪咗嗰條片，剪晒啲片嗰度嘅話呢，我就會好嬲噶啦，唔好啊！唔好啊！唔使，我真係唔知到底點樣搞，因為我都好難拍，我都唔知到底要拍幾多次。I don't know how much that I need to do this, so I need to get finished today. 執先啊，小心啲先。希望我慢慢行先，我慢慢行先，我慢慢。因為我真係驚咧，覺得條片會剪嘅。好，當佢食完咗就慢啦。跟住有咩做？去返嗰個小木屋。Saint Patrick's Day party. Here's the classroom on 等陣佢有嘢想傾，我傾埋，我同佢傾埋偈先。好似有啲嘢想講嘅。有啲嘢想講，有啲動物，因為我都邀請咗有啲動物喺小木屋同埋喺我嗰個露營場嗰度住嘅，係啦。如果動物想跟住我嘅話咧，要俾錢嘅，但我係冇錢俾嘅，咁但係我講話先，擴音器、撞色抽氣櫃、點壓梳化，同埋第一個刀劍神域啊，仲有大實世界啊，仲有王國紀念咩嗰啲咧，我得閒都要再我會重新玩過嘅，不過我搞掂埋啲，我未搞掂嗰啲片先。片咩俾音啊？呢個啱個音字，擴音機、擴音器、收音機。我揀錯咗啦。佢平時唔會用，咁佢平時用咩㗎？同埋呢個咧， 同埋呢個我係手機版嚟嘅。Switch 同 Switch 唔同，Switch 你係幫啲動物Switch 咧係幫佢收集嗰啲嘢啦，但呢度手機梗係幫動物實驗願望，但 Switch 嗰度咧嗰啲水果咧係食到嘅有啲，但呢度其實家具嗰啲咧又講咗嗰個嘢家具嗰啲咧同 Switch 一樣啦，都係食唔到嘅嚇。咁 Switch 版嗰度咧水果係食到嘅，喺我而家玩嗰個咧係我捉咗嗰啲水果咧係食唔到嘅，因為嗰啲只係幫動物實驗願望，咁所以我都係餓死自己。Here's my second floor. Here's the St. Patrick's Day party. Here's a door. 呢度就係門啦，掛住啦。Here's a flag. And the green grass. I put the grass. 咁呢度就整個佈置嗰啲家具。I put on 咁我放咗一啲草坪嘅地氈。I put some grass。英文點讀啊？地氈。I'm such a pro. I'm such a pro. I'm such a pro. Bro. Grass carpet. Here's a grass carpet and some less fruit because I don't know any green fruit. I'm wearing green St. Patrick's hat. Green detective coat and green and also some green shoes. Here's the St. Patrick's. Here's a St. Patrick's Day table, and also here's some more leaves, and here's the cake, St. Patrick's Day cake, cupcakes, cookies, and some different soda and some drinks. Also I found the green one will also have some coffee, some cake, also the soda and mint tea. Yeah. So yeah, and here's the short and my coat. Okay, let me sit in here. Here's a balloon. Just one balloon because I didn't have time to do more. Here's a green wardrobe and the lamp. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you do. If you have any questions, leave the comments below, please. And also follow my rules on my channel, because also follow my rules on my channel. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitch. Also some messages. Also, yeah, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, messages. I will talk to chat on you guys. Also follow me on Discord. I also chat with my friends, and follow me on Twitch and Uplive. I will post. I will do the post as well with Facebook and Instagram, and I will stream in Uplive if I have some spare time. But Twitch, you can follow me as well if I can have some spare time to do the stream. If I will try it, yeah. And you also subscribe to my channel. Also leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Turn on. Also, if you subscribe to me, then click the notification bell so you can never miss my video. And also you can subscribe to my second channel called Go Animate. Yeah, I will do the video on there as well. And also I have my third channel, but my third channel is the bonus one, it was the bonus. So that channel was my bonus channel. If you guys want to subscribe my second channel and my second channel and my third channel, well, you can, because I will do the video as well. Also, I will try it if I have time to do the live stream on YouTube. Yeah. So that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is my 4th anniversary special video part 4, which is my next video about. What's that sound? 算，咁就今日嚟到呢度先，咁多謝大家嘅收睇，咁我哋下條片見，下一次條片再見啦。And happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Even though it was delayed even though it was yesterday, but I'm doing this again I will fished for this. But I fished for my video. I hope we'll never get. I hope I hope my I hope my video will never get 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 cutting all of it. So yeah, that's all for this video, and so yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video, and take and here's me, Gary, signing off, and have a great day, everyone. Take care of yourself, and yeah, and and bye for now. Goodbye, everyone. 再見咁多位，拜拜。I will see you next time in the next video. So goodbye.